Hi, all, and welcome to my online portfolio. My name is Melissa Chavez, and let's go ahead and dive into the right hand side of the portfolio where it has my work, and let's go down to 5319. LTDE 5319, Technology Tools for Learning. In this course, we were tasked to create an online course. My online course was for my pre-K classroom that was for counting 1 through 10. On the main page for the LTDE 5319, I have my course outcomes, what students should be able to do upon completion of the course, along with the course outline from week 1 through week 8. So in order to get into the week, you simply click on module week 1 and it redirects you to the page for week 1. And week 1 was over oral counting. In this first week, students will identify, memorize, and pronounce the numbers 1 through 10 through rote counting. Rote counting is a fundamental skill in building number knowledge in math. So in this, students learn sequence, the sequence of 1 through 10 by saying each number in order. Some of the reading and study resources that were given was Mouse Count, book read aloud that was on YouTube, and 1, 2, 3 Little Ducklings, which is a PDF that students can print out and sing along to the 10 Little Ducklings song. Now if we go down below, we have the audio and visual resources. They were songs that could reinforce the rote counting and sequence of 1 through 10. Along with that, we had a discussion board for week 1, which was for students to use Flipgrid, which is now Flip, to record themselves simply counting 1 through 10, and whether they wanted to use a voice, sing a song. The overall purpose for this discussion was to just check for understanding of sequencing, along with replies. They would reply to their classmates on something that they liked about their counting, along with the rubric for the discussion board for week 1. Now, if we go back to the course outline, we can click on any. Let's go ahead and click on week 6. Week 6 was counting objects up to 10. Here again, we have reading and study resources. Students would print out a worm and simply use stickers to match the numbers, and they could also read online on Epic, a short storybook on counting. Again, we have audio and visual resources to help reinforce skills. This week we had our authentic assessment, and it was counting objects up to 10. Students were able to use a Jamboard to drag and count numbers. So let's go ahead and click on that. So students would count the objects and then find the number that would match the numbers counted, and this would check for comprehension of one-to-one correspondence along with numeral recognition. Along with that, we have the rubric for this assessment. Going back into 5319, you can simply come over to the course outline and click on any week, and reading resources will be housed here, goals and objectives for the week, audio and visuals, along with if there's an authentic assessment or a discussion board will be posted along with rubrics. So that is my portfolio on 5319 for pre-K online math course, counting 1 through 10.